SAP HANA. Should you run SAP HANA in the cloud or on-prem? Is it practical? It's not about the technology. Hey, it's Keith Townsend from the CTOadvisor.com, and we're answering what is a critical business question. Should you run SAP HANA in the cloud? I'm recording this as Google Next is going on, and there's a lot of excitement around running SAP in the cloud. Google advertises a 12 terabyte virtual machine that allows you the blah, 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 blah. But the real question is, should you entrust SAP, your most mission critical business system, to a cloud provider? I think we're past that question. You can technically run SAP in the cloud and get as high as availability as responsive support from SAP in the cloud provider that you need to run SAP. It's more of an organizational maturity question than it is a technology question. You more than likely have spent years maturing your SAP landscapes and maturing your operational expertise around SAP, and that doesn't always translate easily into the cloud. To give you an example, simple change management. This is something that I've beat the drum about a lot. Netflix, I think, is the poster child with what can go wrong with change management. Netflix moved the application to the cloud. They made a change. The cloud provider made a change. Those changes were not coordinated. The application went down on one of the most critical days of the year. SAP is very much the same. You've matured your processes, specifically your change management processes, so that doesn't happen. Coordinating that and changing your organization around a cloud provider's infrastructure to meet the needs of your nonstop business, that's a little bit tougher of a question to answer. And that's what you pay consultants to help you determine. Not necessarily will the technology fit inside of the cloud provider package, but rather if your organization can make the changes to adapt to public cloud. You have some opinions? Share them with me. You have questions? I'd love to hear them. You can reach me on Twitter at CTOadvisor, on the web, thectoadvisor.com. Shoot me an email, keith@thectoadvisor.com. Talk to you next, CTO Dose.